Multi-camera edits can be powerful, but let's be honest, switching angles, syncing audio, and managing speaker tracks manually, it's a time sink. With Cutback, you can automate the heavy lifting. Take note that Adobe Premiere Pro's multi-camera sequence isn't supported for this workflow. Instead, make sure all your camera angles are already laid out and synced on the timeline. Head to Cutback and select how many speakers are in the footage. Assign names to each audio track and confirm whether each speaker has their own separate track. Match each video track to the corresponding person or camera. You can also set track priority to determine how often each angle is used. This helps guide the assistant's choices. You can always adjust this later. Once analysis is complete, you'll see the full transcript, annotated with speaker names and camera track info. Want to change an angle for a line? Just click the label or use the keyboard shortcuts 1, 2, 3 to switch tracks. Preview the sequence right inside Cutback to check the pacing and transitions. When you're ready, click Apply to Sequence. Choose what changes you'd like to apply, whether it's switching cameras, keeping only the current speaker's audio, or disabling the rest. Then watch your timeline update automatically. It's multi-cam editing made dramatically faster.